I'm super excited about my new online class all about how to draw a basic pleasing face. So we're going to talk about do's and don'ts. I'm going to take you through the features like lips and eyes, noses. We're going to talk about hair. Everything is done through simple drawing. So we're even going to talk about necks and shoulders, about proportions. I will take you through how to create expression, and we'll even have a little bit of fun. So why don't you scroll on over to the new classroom where you can choose the class. You can read all about what you get. If you buy any online class from me, you have lifetime access, and you also have immediate access. So as soon as you sign up, you can go ahead and you can enter the classroom where each lesson has a video along with notes about what is in the video for reference. You can leave comments in the comment section, and you can easily navigate through the different parts using the sidebar. As soon as you click, you can go to the lesson that you want and get exactly what you want. So I hope that you will join me for the basic pleasing face.